Hello and welcome back to the 1963 YouTube channel. If you've been following me, you know I've been dealing with cityscapes a lot, and here's my second series, and this is the second piece of my second series. Watching this video from the perspective of an artist, you know the drill. You need to have everything right in front of you. You need to have the color palette in mind, all your required brushes. Just like most of the other paintings from this series, this picture too will be monochromatic. I hope you find this piece satisfactory, and without waiting any further, let's get into it.
Not much to talk to. I know how I look. What I know about life comes out of a book. But of all of the people there are in the world, she chose me. Most of my life I've been on my own. Whatever I did it alone. And then she came along. Now I'm not alone, since she chose me. Every night I thank the lucky stars above me. Someone as beautiful as she could really love me, and she really loves me. From time to time I ask myself, why was it I and nobody else, the most beautiful girl that I'd ever seen? And she chose me. And she really loves me. From time to time I ask myself, why was it I and not someone else, the most beautiful girl in all of the world? And she chose me.
So with that, we have come to the end of the painting process. We are going to cut the edges of the piece a little so that we can put it against the mounting. If you want to take a complete look at the piece along with the frame, head to my Instagram page. I have used a very creamy shade of wooden frame for this piece, in fact the entire series. If you enjoyed watching this video, do not forget to hit the like button, because that really reflects whether you have been enjoying my videos or not, and encourages me all the way to make more. Leave your thoughts in the comment section, because I would love to know what you think about these, and accordingly I can modify my paintings. Do not forget to go back to your painting. Never hesitate to go back to your painting and redo certain areas where you feel like you need a little more highlighting, like I've done with this pen. Thank you for showing me all your love and letting my YouTube channel grow organically. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please hit the button, and I will try to bring you more paintings next time. Bye.